What's the meaning of Barbara Castle? Barbara Castle. Barbara Castle.
Barbara Castle. Barbara Castle. Barbara Castle was a British politician and member of the Labour Party. She is remembered for being a trailblazer for women in politics, as well as for her contributions to social reform during her time in government. Castle served in various positions in the UK cabinet, including Minister of Transport, Secretary of State for Employment and Productivity, and First Secretary of State. Perhaps her most notable achievement was introducing the Equal Pay Act of 1970, which made it illegal to pay men and women differently for the same work. Castle was a highly respected figure in British politics and continues to be celebrated as a champion of workers' rights and equality.